Hello everybody. I hope that you are doing okay. I hope that you had wonderful day. And today I'm going to do an update on yesterday's trade. Okay. So let's get going. Okay. So first let's switch to the 15 minutes time frame so we can have a look at what we had yesterday. So yesterday I discussed with you this setup. Okay, so I just want to introduce to this new channel. If it's the first time that you joined me, and the first time that you're looking at these videos. So basically what I do technical analysis. I use high probability setups. I try to find high probability setups in order to give you the most accurate information on what can happen in the markets. I know that in YouTube you have lots of people that don't trade. I know that, and I know that you have lots of people not only that don't trade, but they have never been doing this, they have never been passionate about trading. They just saw an opportunity to make money and they started doing it. I've been doing it for 4 years. Okay, and I am an engineer. Okay, so I am a software engineer, and I've also worked in computer security and things like that. So I've worked as a software engineer, and I have a master's degree. I've done research, academic research. So I've taught during that time, etc. So I have lots of experience as an academic and also as a professional. And what you will find in these videos, you will find very honest, a very honest opinion on what is going to happen in the markets. I'm not just doing it just to get views or just to get more subscribers or whatever. I am doing it because I really do it myself, for myself, because I trade myself. Okay, and also I try to be as accurate as possible. And what is really amazing is that I found that even the way I do my analysis, I've been more right than wrong. Just doing the analysis, because I'm just going to explain the difference between analysis and trading. So when you do analysis, you are just an analyst. So you just say price will go up when it breaks this trend line, and price will go down when it breaks this this level, and that's it. I try not to do that because this is easy to do. Anyone can plot resistance and support levels and say that this is not rocket science. But what is rocket science, or at least what is experience? What is something that will come out of experience only, is the fact that when you are when you are doing your analysis, you find setups or even chart patterns that you've encountered in the past. So you've already seen them, so you know how they react, and what's going, the probability of what's going to happen after such after that kind of move, or that kind of shape. So this is what I focus on. I focus on high probability trades, and I try to give you the best information possible. And I'm going to be selling a course. Of course, I'm going to be selling a course, but before selling anything, I just want you to look at what we do, and I just want to have a history of forecasts that I've done and how I've done them, and just to get an idea that I'm much better than the rest. Okay, so let's get started. Anyways, yesterday you can find you can find the Eurjpy of yesterday, and you'll find these levels. I didn't touch anything. So what did I say? I said that we have 3 summits here. We have 1 summit here, and then we have a second summit, and we have a third summit. What does it tell us? It tells us that price is going to fall. So this is my main forecast. Okay, so my main forecast is that price is going to fall. What did I say? I said if we have a fake breakout, okay, a fake breakout, okay, this is all a fake breakout, because we've never had, you know, like a real breakout with price really, you know, like coming out of, let's say, you know, like the previous high. Never. Here we didn't, here we didn't, and then we didn't, and then again we didn't. So we've never had, you know, like a real breakout. So we can say that price, anyways, so we can say that a price has reversed. So what did we have? We just had, we could even, you know, like trade, you know, like this inside bar, and even, you know, like take a short trade from here. But, you know, like this is just for experienced traders, and I will be explaining this method, you know, like in my videos or in my course or whatever. But I'm going to be explaining this method. This method is very powerful, especially when you go back into the range, and especially when you have an inside bar and you go back into the range. Okay, so what did we have? We had fake breakouts, and I said if you have a fake breakout, be sure that you will have a high probability trade that this is going to break to the downside. Okay, so what did we have? We had another fake breakout here, and I said be careful of this level. Okay, so the level of 115.89. I said be careful of this level, price is going to react to this level. And then what did we have? We had the breakout, okay, and it was here. So it was here, it was 1584 price, you know, like we were in drawdown, you know, like for 12 or 13 pips, and then price is still, you know, like moving down. Okay, so the goal is to go until, to go, you know, like to tag, you know, like the previous low. So you have 30 pips, 30 clean pips with a 2-to-1 ratio, you know, like trade with almost no risk. Why? Because, you know, like we've broken this level. Okay, so we've broken this level. The level of, you know, like 88 or 89 was going to get broken. But when we broke this level, and also we broke this wedge, I mean the corrective wedge, we had a really, you know, like big chance or high probability trade to go to the downside. Anyways, so this was just a recap of this trade, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I just want to explain, you know, like why it did work, and also why fake breakouts are among the best trading opportunities, of course, to the other side. Okay, you have a good night, and you have a good trading day tomorrow. I'll be back with